Hello and welcome to Math Voice 2024 Fraction Learning Series. Today we'll tackle word problems with mixed numbers on addition and subtraction. The word problems are based on the three topics we have covered before. Please revise them before starting the word problems. First is mixed fractions, traditional versus shortcut on fractions, traditional versus shortcut in mixed fractions. The links to the videos are in the description below. Here are some steps to solve word problems with mixed numbers using conventional method. Read the problem carefully. Understand whether the problem requires addition or subtraction. Convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Add or subtract the numerators while keeping the denominator the same. If the result is an improper fraction, convert it back to a mixed number. And if required, simplify the fraction part of your mixed number in its simplest form. And last, you can verify your calculations. Here is question number 1. A wire that is 6.5 meters long is cut into two pieces. If the length of one piece is 2 by 3 meters, what is the length of the other piece? So from the question, it is very clear that it is based on subtraction. We'll do by conventional method first. Convert 6 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 to improper fractions. And then find a common denominator. That is, you have to find the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So 13 by 2, multiply the numerator and denominator by 3, which gives 39 by 6, and 8 by 3, multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, which gives 16 by 6. In the next step, subtract the fractions. So 39 by 6 minus 16 by 6 gives 23 by 6. Convert back 23 by 6 to mixed number, and we get here 3 5 by 6. 6 goes in 23 3 times and remainder is 5, so the answer is 3 5 by 6. Now the same let us do using shortcut method. Now in shortcut method, be very careful to see first of all the fraction part of both. Now in 6 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, you know 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 3. So the method of borrowing will follow, borrow from whole number, and 6 1 by 2 will become 5 plus 1 1 by 2, which gives 5 plus 1 by 2, and you get 5 3 by 2. Remember, this is 5 3 by 2 is not a mixed number. Now we'll do subtract 5 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3, which gives group whole numbers together, fractions together, and you know how to proceed. So cross multiply these two, use the shortcut method for subtraction of fractions, and we get 3 plus 9 minus 4 by 2 times 3, which is equal to 3 5 by 6. So the answer is the length of the other piece is 3 5 by 6 meters. Here is exactly a similar question. Mala had 5.5 meters of fabric. She used 2 3 by 4 meters for a project. How much fabric is left with her? So left means it is very clear it is on subtraction. You try both conventional method and shortcut method. I have done both here. You can pause the video, do it yourself and verify your answer. Here is a third question. Tom read 2 1 by 4 of the book on Saturday and 3 2 by 3 on Sunday. How much did he read over the weekend? So as before, let us do by both the methods, conventional method and shortcut method. Now, how much did he read over the weekend? That means you have to find out the total. So convert as before to improper fractions. 2 1 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. 3 2 by 3 is equal to 11 by 3. Now find a common denominator, that is you have to find the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12. So 9 by 4 becomes 27 by 12. 11 by 3 will become 44 by 12. Now add the fractions. So 27 by 12 plus 44 by 12 gives 71 by 12. 71 by 12 convert back to a mixed number. So you get here 5 11 by 12. And if you are doing by shortcut method, it is very simple. Add whole number and fraction part. So 2 1 by 4 plus 3 2 by 3 will become, you have to group whole numbers and fraction parts together and combine the results, and you get 5 plus, and 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3 use shortcut method, 3 plus 8 by 4 into 3, which gives 5 11 by 12. That's all. So the answer is Tom reads 5 11 by 12 of the book over the weekend. Now the fourth question. Sam spent 1 3 by 5 hours studying English and 2 1 by 4 hours studying science. How much time did he spend studying in total? So it is very clear, it is based on addition, and so you can do it yourself. Conventional method, shortcut method, both are done here. You pause the video, do it yourself and verify your answer. Sam spent 317 by 20 hours studying in total. That's all in this video. Hope you have learned how to solve word problems involving addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Keep practicing to master these skills. Stay tuned for our next video on Chapter 4 Grade 1 and yet another video from Fraction Learning series. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye. Take care.